Welcome. This video is brought to you by My Shoe Covers, reusable and washable booties for residential contractors, designed with a grip you can count on. If you're considering starting a career or business in pest control in the state of Texas, obtaining a pest control license is a critical first step. The good news is that you can get started with no experience, but you do need to follow the correct path. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about getting licensed in Texas, including the types of licenses available, their requirements, fees, exam details, and how to prepare. Let's dive right in. In the state of Texas, pest control licenses are regulated by the Texas Department of Agriculture under the Structural Pest Control Service program. The licenses you can obtain include: Number 1, the Apprentice license. Number 2, the Technician license. Number 3, the Certified Applicator license. These licenses represent different levels of responsibility within the pest control industry, starting with entry-level positions and progressing all the way to running your own company. The Apprentice license serves as the entry-level credential. This is where most people begin, and no prior experience is required. You must be employed by a licensed pest control company and will work under the supervision of a licensed professional while gaining hands-on experience in the field. The Technician license allows you to perform pest control services in the field. At this level, you're still supervised by a certified applicator, but you start to take on more responsibility and, well, you gain greater independence in your day-to-day work. The Certified Applicator license is the highest individual license you can get. It lets you supervise technicians and apprentices, perform pesticide applications, and take full responsibility for pest control operations. This license honestly opens the door to higher income opportunities and gives you the ability to eventually run your own business. The Pest Control Business License is required if you want to operate a pest control company here in Texas. To qualify, your business needs to employ at least one certified applicator who oversees all pest control operations. For the Apprentice license, no prior experience or exam is required. You must be employed by a licensed pest control company and registered with the state. You'll need to submit an application for apprentice registration and technician license form, along with the $125 fee, within 10 days of employment or within 10 days of beginning pest control services. The Structural Pest Control Service will review your application and conduct a background check. An apprentice card is then issued and is valid for 12 months from the date of hire. The Technician license requires additional structure. You must complete 40 hours of supervised on-the-job training within your first 6 months, along with 20 hours of classroom or approved training before taking the exam. After completing these requirements, you must pass the Technician licensing exam. You must also submit Form SPT 415 for each pest control category, along with documentation of your training, classroom work, and an endorsement from your company's certified applicator. The Certified Applicator license requires at least 12 months of verifiable experience as a licensed technician or equivalent experience approved by the state, such as out-of-state licensing or military pest control work. In addition to experience, you must pass multiple exams. The first step is to submit an application for a Certified Applicator license, Form SPCA 410, to the Texas Department of Agriculture. Once your application has been processed, you will receive correspondence from the agency, either requesting additional documentation or confirming your eligibility and providing instructions for scheduling your exams. You cannot schedule exams until you have been declared eligible. Alright, so the Pest Control Business License requires you to submit an application, provide proof of insurance, and have a licensed certified applicator on your team. There's actually no exam required for the business license itself, which is kinda nice. Now, as for the fees, set by the Texas Department of Agriculture for 2025, you're looking at a $125 application fee for the Apprentice Technician and Certified Applicator licenses. Plus, there's a $64 fee for each required exam. For the Pest Control Business License, the application fee is $300 and you'll still need to show proof of insurance and meet all the state requirements. Just remember, all these licenses need to be renewed every so often, and you'll have to keep up with continuing education to keep them active. Now let's talk a bit about the exam details. The apprentice license doesn't require an exam, but you do need to pass a background check and provide a government-issued ID. For the technician exam, it's a multiple-choice test covering pesticide safety, label comprehension, and basic pest control practices. The certified applicator exams are a bit more advanced. You'll need to pass a general standards exam, and then one or more category-specific exams depending on the kind of work you're planning to do, like general pest control, termite control, lawn and ornamental, or fumigation. Each exam is multiple choice and typically ranges from approximately 50 to 100 questions. You can expect to have between 1.5 and 2.5 hours to complete each exam, depending on the category. A passing score is usually around 70%. As for where you take the exam, Texas uses third-party testing centers, commonly through providers such as PSI exams. You will need to schedule your exam in advance and take it at a local testing facility on a computer. In some cases, exams may also be offered at approved training events or industry locations, but most candidates take their exams at an official testing center. After completing the exam, you will typically receive your results immediately on the screen, so you'll know whether you passed before leaving the testing center. Preparing for these exams requires a strategic approach. You should begin by studying materials provided by the Texas Department of Agriculture, with a strong focus on pesticide labels, safety procedures, and state regulations. It is also important to enroll in approved training programs offered by pest control companies, community colleges, or industry associations. Taking practice exams can help you become familiar with the format and identify areas for improvement. In addition, gaining hands-on experience in the field is essential, as it reinforces your understanding of real-world pest control practices. It's important to understand that most people do not fail these exams because they are too difficult. Instead, they fail because they underestimate the importance of label comprehension and safety knowledge. For the most up-to-date information, please visit the Texas Department of Agriculture website. The link is in the description. On behalf of the My Shoe Covers team, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and be sure to check out our other videos where we provide valuable tips to help you grow your contractor business.